So IFRS and Ind AS, International Financial Reporting Standards, Indian Accounting Standards, the new Indian Accounting Standards. As most of us would ideally know, both of these overlap almost 95%. So, unless you are currently studying CA, for any other audience, the quickest way to study for Ind AS or to learn Ind AS is to learn IFRS, and the quickest way to learn IFRS is by studying and completing the Diploma in IFRS by ACCA. So guys, my name is Pratham. I am the co-founder and CEO of Zell Education, where we train candidates in the field of finance and accounting, such as courses with respect to courses such as IFRS, which is by ACCA, and other courses such as CFA. So we make a lot of videos on different kinds of courses which might help you in your career. And to not miss out on any of them, please do subscribe. So first things first, are you eligible for this or not? So as you can see on the screen, the eligibility criteria are quite simple, right? The simplest, the most basic one is you should be a chartered accountant. A fun fact, by the way, guys, India over the last few years has been the country where the largest number of diploma and IFRS takers have been. And the reason? Think about it. Ind AS very recently became mandatory in India. So prior to that, all the chartered accountants had learned the old Indian accounting standards. And now for them to master IFRS and Ind AS, they realized that this diploma in IFRS, the single exam, can propel them to becoming experts in the field of Ind AS and IFRS. So that is the reason in India, if you're a chartered accountant, you are obviously eligible for a diploma in IFRS. Besides being a CA, as you would have seen, you just need a couple of years of experience post-graduation and you would be eligible for this program. So coming to the exam structure, the DIP IFRS exam is held twice a year in June and December. This single exam which you appear for is a complete computer-based exam and a combination of multiple choice questions as well as subjective questions. With respect to the curriculum and the content, this DIP IFRS exam consists of almost all of the international accounting standards and the IFRSs. So now, if you are thinking that, yeah, I want to pursue IFRS, the diploma in IFRS, one suggestion, whether you're a chartered or not, is the diploma in IFRS is the exam is held by the ACCA body. A lot of candidates, when they're thinking of IFRS, they see IFRS and then they see the ACCA as a whole qualification and sometimes say, okay, maybe the entire ACCA qualification is for me, not just the single exam. If that is you and you'd like to know more information about ACCA, we have an entire video which we've created with all details of this qualification. Please do check that out. With that said, the last part about the DIP IFRS qualification is the fee structure. Let me make it very simple. You can complete the entire DIP IFRS exam in between 40 to 50,000 rupees, including everything. It includes registration fees, which is 89 pounds. So that's almost 9,000 rupees. It includes the exam fees, which is around 117 pounds. So that's around 11 to 12,000 rupees. There will be study material of 2, 3, 4,000 approximately. Then you might require training. And when you combine all of this, it will come less than 50,000. So guys, I hope that the understanding with respect to eligibility and the curriculum and the fees has been made clear to you. If we've left anything, please put in the comments. We'll ensure that we get back to you. Thank you.